Meaning of driven.
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 Driven. The term driven can have several meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. Typically, it refers to someone who is highly motivated and focused on achieving their goals. The result of being driven is that a person tends to be more productive, efficient, and successful in their endeavors. They are often persistent in their pursuit of success and are willing to work hard, even in the face of challenges or setbacks. Being driven can also lead to a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction as a person achieves their goals and realizes their dreams.